On YouTube, there's a specific type of video that's incredibly popular and has the potential to earn you around $1,000 or even more per day. And that's motivational videos. You know, the ones with inspirational messages like, got an issue in your life? Make a change. If you want it, go get it. Surprisingly, these videos are easier to create than they might seem. And they can be incredibly profitable. What's even better? I've got a trick, a secret if you will, to help you get more views on these videos. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. If you go to Social Blade and search for channels like Ben Lionel Scott, you'll find that these creators have dedicated their entire channels to motivational content. And there are plenty of others like them. Now, when you look at their estimated earnings on Social Blade, you might see figures around $1,000 per day. But here's the deal. These estimates often underestimate the actual earnings. Trust me, these channels are likely making 2, 3, maybe even 4 times more than what Social Blade suggests. How do I know this? Well, I've got some personal experience in the game. Social Blade might claim a channel like this is making around $378,000 per year, but the reality is it's much more. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating these videos, and I'll share that secret to help you get a lot more views. Let's start by breaking down what these motivational videos are and how you can put them together. They're typically composed of 3 elements: the music, the video footage, and the motivational speech. I'll delve into each part, where to source them, and we'll even put together a motivational video from scratch as we go along. Now, let me quickly address something. You might have heard people debating whether these videos can be successfully monetized because some say they can't. Well, that's not accurate. When done right, these videos can definitely be monetized. How do I know? Well, there's a little secret method to find out if a channel is monetized. Take this motivational channel here for example. Some might argue it can't be monetized because it uses other people's voices. But let's dive into the secret. If you right-click anywhere on the page and choose View Page Source, it might look complicated, but bear with me. A quick search for monetization brings us to a line of code that says, "Is monetization enabled?" and the value is true. So yes, this channel is monetized. You can do this for many motivational channels, and you'll find most of them are monetized. You can absolutely monetize these videos. Just pay close attention to the video to learn how to do it effectively. Let's start by talking about where to find the music for these videos. Music is crucial for setting the tone of motivational content, adding emotion and depth. It's essential to use high-quality audio without copyright issues. Personally, I rely on Epidemic Sound for my music needs. They offer access to over 30,000 professionally produced tracks and useful features like suggesting songs based on your channel and showing the beats per minute or BPM of a track. This is invaluable for content creators who want top-quality music that's easy to integrate. This year, I've partnered with Epidemic Sound to bring you an exclusive deal on their music service. You can get a 30-day free trial and an extra 2 months at 75% off by using the link I've provided in the description. This discount applies to the personal plan and is available for a limited time in Epidemic Sound's diverse music library. Just follow the link in the description. In my opinion, one of the best categories of music for motivational videos is found under the film category. You'll see various subcategories and genres within the film category. Choose the one that best suits the purpose of your motivational video. For instance, if you're creating content about not giving up on your dreams, you'd want dramatic and epic music. Select the drama category and you'll find thousands of songs. For our example, I'm not going to be too picky. I've already identified a track I like, so I'm downloading that one. You can download and use as many songs as you need for your video, but for now, I'll work with this one. Next, I'll move to my editing software. I use Final Cut Pro on my Mac, which costs $299. However, if you're on a Mac and prefer not to spend money, iMovie is a fantastic free option that's more than sufficient for the job. If you're on a PC, you can use free editing software like DaVinci Resolve, Filmora, or HitFilm Express. I'll simply drag and drop the downloaded song onto my timeline, and that's the first part taken care of. So, for your music needs, turn to Epidemic Sound and don't forget to grab the 30-day free trial and 2 extra months at 75% off using the link in the description. It's an incredible offer. Now, let's talk about the motivational speech part of your video. Where can you find the spoken word content for these videos? One method is to check other motivational videos like this one. Typically, the video descriptions will mention the speakers featured. For example, this video includes speeches from T.D. Jakes, Les Brown, and Eric Thomas. You can then search for speeches by these individuals on YouTube. Once you find a speech or a part of a speech you like, visit a website like snapsave.io. Paste the URL you want to save, click download, and you'll receive an audio file of the speech to use in your video. Now that's one way to do it. The alternative, and perhaps the safer option, is to use public domain audio from the Internet Archive. Head to archive.org, select Audio, and All Audio. You can explore various categories to find motivational speeches or audiobooks. Or, make it easy by searching for motivational speech. Listen to a few of them to identify the content you like. For example, I've already listened to this speech and found a specific part I want to use. I'll download the file, bring it into my editing software, and select and align the chosen speech segment with the music. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Now, let's address a common problem with many motivational videos: getting enough views. The secret to more views largely hinges on your video's title and thumbnail. Even if you have a fantastic video, a poor title and thumbnail will prevent it from getting noticed. With motivational videos, I've uncovered a formula to help you achieve significantly more views. Let me illustrate with examples. Here are recent videos from a well-known motivational channel. Notice that the views are somewhat average at best. Now, check out more recent videos and another popular motivational channel which receives many more views. The question is, what's the difference that makes one channel more successful than the other? The underperforming channel makes several critical mistakes. First, its thumbnails are subpar, laden with excessive text. The images are generic and lack emotional impact. Something fails to connect with the audience. On the other hand, the more successful channel tells a different story. Its thumbnails use minimal text and feature emotionally charged, action-packed images with close-up shots of people. Something truly resonates with the audience. The real question is, how do you achieve this? It all comes down to understanding why people click on videos in the first place. People click when the title and thumbnail trigger their emotions. That's the secret sauce for getting more views on your motivational videos. These are practical steps you can follow to make it work. First, select an image that exudes intensity or emotion. For instance, the image in this thumbnail lacks intensity, and it's pretty much the opposite of emotionally charged. It shows someone sleeping in bed, and it's no wonder the video only has 1.5k views after a month. People aren't clicking on that. On the other hand, an emotionally charged image like someone crying and contemplating, used in another thumbnail, makes sense why the video gained 84,000 views in just 3 days. Or consider this intense image. It's not surprising the video garnered 253,000 views in 3 weeks. The second step is simple. Zoom in on the face. Many thumbnails in the underperforming channel hardly show faces. Sometimes, the person's back is on the camera, or worse, the thumbnails feature dark silhouettes. That's a major mistake. Instead, zoom in closely on the faces, as seen in the successful channel's thumbnails. There's a psychological reason this works so well. Finally, create contrast in your thumbnails. In contrast-rich images, the background is typically dark and the person's face in the foreground is much brighter and contrasted. This high contrast look adds dramatic flair, making the thumbnail stand out and attract more clicks. I'll show you how to create this effect in a moment. But first, let me demonstrate how to craft a captivating thumbnail that people will want to click on. I usually use Photoshop for my thumbnails, but if you don't have it, Canva is a free alternative that works brilliantly. After creating your free Canva account, select Templates, then Social Media, and choose YouTube Thumbnails Templates. If you don't have a Photoshop, you can do all of this on your phone using the Canva app. Create a blank YouTube thumbnail and visit a free image website like unsplash.com. For an emotionally charged image, for our example, we'll go with this one. Download it, go to Canva, and upload it. Drag the image onto your canvas, ensuring it covers the entire area. Zoom in on the face as closely as possible. In this instance, it looks like this. Now, conveniently, this image has a decent level of contrast. Let's enhance it even more. Click Edit Image and boost the contrast. Canva's Auto Enhance feature does an excellent job of improving the image. You can enhance it to 100. If you compare the before and after, you'll notice the colors look more balanced and natural. It's a considerable improvement. Hit Apply. Lastly, add bold text to your thumbnail. For instance, if your motivational video is about not giving up on your dreams, add text that reads "Never quit" and adjust it for maximum visibility. Search for gradient and apply a black gradient to make the text pop. Position the text and adjust the background to your liking. Now you have an attention-grabbing thumbnail full of energy and emotion that's far more likely to attract clicks compared to the lackluster one. That's it! Go out there and start making some money! If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!